right. Hi, I'm Sarah DuPlessis. I'm a physician assistant. I'll be working with Children's Orthopedics group. I'm very excited about this. I started off as a physician assistant in the emergency room, and over the past 2.5 to 3 years, I've kind of gathered that I love kids and I love working with children, and have a lot of experience with my own pediatric musculoskeletal injuries, so I'm excited about working with the children. And I kind of pride myself in my bedside manner with patients. I pride myself in listening to patients, so even if they are children, you can really get on their level and hear what they have to say, and they can tell you what their, where their pain is and what the problem is. If you really listen, clearly and carefully, then you can figure out a lot from that, and patients tend to confide in me more. And even on my personal life, I feel like I've always been a pretty good listener, and that combined with just being personable to people and having a lot of empathy for people, I think sets me apart, and I can have a pretty good relationship with the patient. I'm from Elizabethtown, Kentucky, which is not very far. Most of my family still lives there. I went to school here, undergrad at Bellarmine though, and all of my friends still live up here. Most of my friends still live up here. I was looking to get out of such a small town and to be back into a city atmosphere that I like, and I've always loved Louisville, and went to PA school in Lexington, which was good too, but kind of always felt drawn to come back to Louisville, and I just love the city. So I like to be outside in general. I golfed all through college. I've golfed all my life, so that's one thing that I still treasure and have a passion for. I like to kayak and hike and fish even, so I've even fished out of a kayak. So that's when the summer months come, or spring, summer, I'm a lot more happy, a lot more outgoing. I tend to not like the cold anyways. So I have 2 cats. Love cats. I love all animals, but cats are pretty easy. Cats are lovable when you want to love on them, but I can take off for 4 or 5 days and not worry about them at home. And been referred to as the crazy cat lady by lots of my friends, but hope to have a dog one day soon too, but I love all pets.